most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Let me know down below. I feel like I haven't filmed a video in a long time. It's only been 2 weeks, but last weekend I was busy and I thought, you know what, I need a weekend off, but I'm back. I'm ready to film and I'm so excited for today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very affordable Korean beauty unboxing. I'm so excited. I have not really tried much Korean beauty, makeup, skincare, anything like that before. I think I might have tried one face mask or maybe a cleanser, but I haven't really dove into that kind of situation. But I'm so excited for today's video because I got sent a box from STYLEVANA. With my accent, because I'm from Wiltshire, we're very farmer down here, I would say STYLEVANA, but it could be STYLEVANA, it could be STYLEVANA. I'm gonna stay STYLEVANA. STYLEVANA. Now it doesn't sound like a word, but STYLEVANA sent me some products, so I'm going to be unboxing them in this video. I'm so excited. I've just undone the tape. I have no idea what's inside here. Let's go. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, now is the time to do so. I have a giveaway running right now, so if you haven't subscribed, I'll leave the link for that video somewhere in this video. So yeah, subscribe, enjoy, let's go. Let's open the box. Wow, okay. They have gone to town because not only do I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full-size products. So grateful. Thank you so much. So I'm just going to grab them as I go and I'm going to unbox them. I'm so excited. Just from looking at it, the packaging looks stunning. So the first item is the All Clean Balm, which is a clean and comfortable beauty intensive cleansing balm called Hamish. I would read that as Hamish. I hope that's pronounced right. And it says it's a daily cleanser for removing heavy makeup easily. It's a spa cleanser with natural aroma oils, natural vegetable ingredients included for deep cleansing, a 3-step transformer texture. What? Balm, oil. Oh, so it's a balm and then it goes to an oil and then it goes to a milk? That sounds nice. It says to use a spatula to scoop small amount and massage balm over dry skin and add a splash of tepid water to turn this cleanser into a milky fluid and then continue massaging and rinse with water. Wow. Okay, let's open it because that sounds delicious. I'm so excited. And I can't open it. Oh my goodness. I love a good packaging moment. Wow. Look how beautiful that is. I love packaging. I cannot cope. So underneath the first lid, you get the little spatula. So cute. And then, oh, okay, perfect. Then you lift up this and then inside you have the balm. Ooh, that smells really good. It smells kind of like Olbasoil. If you have Olbasoil where you live, it smells like that. But like in a nice way. It's very minty, very clean. Lovely. Oh, I cannot wait to use that. I'm going to try that tonight to remove today's makeup. So yeah, give me a message on Instagram if you want to know my thoughts, because honestly, oh, that packaging, 10 out of 10. I love that. So the next item is the Day Mellow Real Soothing Gel, which is 100% hydrating, revitalizing, optimizing skin balance. And I think it's just like a serum. Let's try. Pop some on my hand. Yeah, that is very much like a light. It's not sticky at all. Has no scent. All I can smell is deep heat because I put some deep heat on a minute ago. I told you I'm turning into a grandma, guys. But oh, that has no smell. Feels amazing though. That would be so nice before makeup because it almost, it's not like sticky, but it has got a slight tack. So I think that'd be great before makeup, you know? Wow, that's lovely. Love that. Packaging's quite basic, but I'm here for it. I love a simple packaging. Beautiful. Next up, I'm going to go for this one. Wow, this is the Ginseng Essence Water. And the packaging of this is just beautiful. I love how simple that is. And I have to open it, so I'm going to open that. So this is what it looks like. It looks like really, really concentrated apple juice. And I'm excited to use it. It says it's 80% ginseng root water. Wow, I can't smell it. They have really good tabs on everything so it doesn't spill. All I can smell is deep heat. I feel like that was a really stupid idea to put that on before this video. Again, I don't think there's a smell to it. Let's just put some on my hand and wow, that sinks in so quick. Does it have a smell? No, it has no smell. but I don't know why I keep smelling it. There's no smell. That feels really nice as well. That sunk into the skin super quick. That's beautiful. I love the packaging again. It's so simple. Love that. So that is toning water, I believe. It says it's ginseng essence water, so I'm assuming it's like a toner. I'm gonna have to research this because I have no idea. Oh, hang on, there's directions on the back. It says, after cleansing, pour a few drops onto your hands and pat gently into the face. That's interesting because with cleansers, like toner waters, I put them onto like a cotton pad. So that's really interesting. You literally just put it straight onto the skin. Love that. Perfect. Beautiful. So excited to try that. The next item we have is the green tea seed serum. Double squeezed green tea and green tea seed from the Jeju Island. I've probably butchered that name, haven't I? Apply an appropriate amount onto the roughly cleansed face and neck, and then gently smooth for better absorption. Wow, I wish I could read this writing because not only is it stunning, but I just would really like to know what it says. But let me open it and see what this looks like. Again, lovely packaging. I love that they're really good with their like seals on stuff, so you know you're not going to get like a leaky situation when you order. Let's just open. Wow, okay, let's try that. That's lovely. Again, really light. Definitely good for somebody who's got kind of combination skin. It's not gonna make your skin oily, and it definitely doesn't feel dry. It feels really nice. This one does have a smell, so I haven't lost my sense of smell. Do not panic. This one smells like a spa. No, wait. Smells like something. Like a Body Shop hand cream. What is that? I don't know, but it smells nice. Whatever that is, that smells delish. But this is what it looks like anyway. It's a beautiful green bottle. Again, I love the packaging for this. I think it's just so simple and clean and nice. I do think so far though this packaging has been my favourite, but we're not quite done. So the next item, let's go for this one. What is this? Okay, we have Unscented Comfort Sleeping Pack, calming and soothing with Super Cantella Complex. Lock in moisture during overnight. Wake up with supple and plump skin. Wow. Oh, and it has hyaluronic acid and ceramide in it. I wish I knew what all these things were, but it basically just says, in the final stage of night skincare routine, take a moderate amount on your hands and spread gently onto the face. So it's like a sleeping mask, which is nice because I love a sleeping mask. Let's have a look at the packaging, the best part. Oh, okay, beautiful. Yeah, it looks very similar to like the, is it Dermalogica? Am I making that up? There's like a range in Superdrug or Boots or something that looks very similar. But this is, yeah, basically the packaging. Is it got a seal? Yes, it has. Let's open it. I know it said it's unscented, but I do want to smell it anyway. So I am going to unsmell it. I'm going to smell it. And I'm also going to pop a little bit on my hand to see what it feels like, because I cannot wait for tonight to try it. So, oh, very thick, but like not thick. Does that make sense? Like it is definitely, what's the word? Like a little bit goes a long way, if you know what I mean. It kind of leaves a very slight kind of feel, like film, is that the right word? Like you can feel that it's sort of wet, but again, no smell. All I can smell is deep heat. I think that was a stupid idea of myself, but anyway, yeah, no smell, but I'm really excited to try that. Again, not much to say about it, but I will definitely put some reviews over on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, because I'm so excited to try all these, honestly. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. The next item, I'm absolutely obsessed with the packaging and I have no idea what it is. This is the Pure Lotus Sun Cream. Wow, okay, very cool. I am awful with sun cream. I never use sun cream unless I go abroad, which I don't think I'll be doing very soon. So I'm really glad to have one of these. I think I do have a Body Shop sun cream actually, which was the vitamin E range, the orange one. I do have that, but this is exciting. This is SPF 50+. Very good. Let's open it. Oh, that's cute. It says here, preserve the most beautiful moment. I love that. Very sweet. So this is what it looks like. Very clean, very fresh, very crisp. Love the packaging. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with cute packaging. And again, all sealed with a tiny little thingy. So take that off and I'm going to have to try and smell it. I want to know if it smells like sun cream, because I don't know about you guys, but I love the smell of sun cream. Like probably more than the average person. Like I would happily use sun cream as a normal body lotion because it smells amazing. This has a very light smell. It smells like a spa. Wow, that smells wonderful. It makes me feel like I'm on holiday. But sadly, I'm not on holiday. I wish I was. That smells amazing. Wonderful. Can't wait to try that, and I just dropped it. Can't wait to try it. Love that. And last but not least, we have the Frudia, I think I've pronounced that wrong, Green Grape Pore Control Cream. By containing green grape extract with rich tanning component. Instead of water, this cream converges? Converges. Is that a word? Converges? Is that how you say it? Converges, pores tightly and creates smooth, soft skin. Very, very cool. I'm so excited to try this. Okay, I need to open it because I need to know whether it has a smell. And I'm too excited and impatient to not smell it right now. So I'm gonna just, real quick, just smell it really quick because, ooh, fancy box. How cute. Okay. Oh, look how nice. Oh, it has a spatula. This is so exciting. Comes with a spatula. Love that. Makes me feel very posh with my cream. And the jar of this, it looks like a little honey pot. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I need to try it now. I have, I wouldn't say I'm very pory around my face, but I definitely get pores on my nose. So, oh, what is that? I guess that would be the green grapes, but oh, that smells delish. I just need to put a tiny bit on my finger, and I'm actually going to have to put some on my hand or something because I need to feel what this feels like. Wow. Oh, okay, hang on. This feels very, very similar to, there's a product at the Body Shop and it's the vitamin E something, and it's really mattifying and it's really good before makeup. If you go in there and ask for that, they'll show you what it is. But this is a very similar texture to that. It smells so good. It smells like a really expensive shower gel or something. That smells delish. Wow. I'm so excited because look at that packaging. I swear I'm a sucker for packaging. This could be gross, but I love it already because of the packaging. Amazing. Oh, I'm so excited. So that's everything I received from STYLEVANA. I'm so thankful. So if you guys are watching this video, thank you so much. Honestly, I am so excited to crank up my skincare routine because I am lazy, I'm not gonna lie. I use a face wipe and then I fall asleep. It's not good. So let me know if you guys would like to see reviews on these products, especially over on my Instagram, because I am tempted to do more single reviews over there. So let me know, and maybe I'll do like a live skincare routine one day. Let me know if you would like to see that. But yeah, now I'm gonna go and pop all these on my dressing table and make them look nice because they are so pretty. Like, I can't get over this. Like, oh, I just love the packaging. Oh, I love it. But anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do. As I said, I've got a current giveaway happening right now. You don't want to miss it. There's makeup, there's Lush products, skincare, the lot. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. And I will leave all of STYLEVANA's links down below. Make sure you check them out. They are so affordable and, as you can tell, adorable products too. So make sure you check them out, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!